feliz cumpleaños. Vamos a bailar, que se escuche fuerte. Vamos a gritar, feliz, feliz, feliz. Feliz cumpleaños, que la vida te regale mil.
What is up, Chico? I just want to greet you a happy birthday, Chico. And maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga tulong at suporta mo sa stream. And yun, enjoy your day. Always remember that God loves you. And ingat ka palagi. God bless.
Nongchi, happy birthday po. Enjoy your special day. Ingat ka palagi. God bless. Love ya.
Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan. Lahat ng hiling mo'y matupad sana. Kasama ang pamilya.
May God bless you po with more blessings because you deserve it. And maraming salamat po sa pag-support po sa aming mga streamers. I really do appreciate you and can't wait to meet you in person pag uwi niyo po dito sa Philippines. And again, I love you. So, congratulations. Congratulations. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Hi, Ninong. Happy birthday.
God bless. See you soon.
We'll see you soon. Take care. Happy birthday.
Bye.
Love you.
Te deseo feliz cumpleaños. Celebramos juntito otro año. Quiero que seas muy feliz. Feliz, feliz. El momento que estás esperando. Una excusa para celebrarlo. Quiero que...
Hello, Ninong! Happiest birthday sa'yo. And I'm wishing you a good health and wealth at the same time. And I'm really glad na nakilala po kita. And sana magkaroon ka pa ng mahabang buhay and continue to be a blessing to everyone. Tapos, ayun lang. So, God bless you. And once again, happy birthday. We love ya.
Hi Chico! Happy birthday! Una sa lahat, gusto ko mag-thank you sa support na binibigay mo sa akin. Hindi lang sa akin, syempre sa mga streamers sa TikTok. And wish ko lang sa birthday mo ay sana maging happy ka. Bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay and good health. And more blessings pa sa'yo at sa family mo. And sana magkita tayo soon. And enjoy your day, Chico. Happy birthday.
Hi Ninong, happy birthday. Yeah, April birth month natin eh. So lahat ng mga April boys tayo, mga pogi talaga. So yeah. Happy birthday Ninong. Always remember, mahal na mahal ka namin. And thank you so much for the love, for the support, for the care. And yeah, sana makita tayo soon Ninong. And I can't wait to see you and wishing you a good life, good health. A happy family, and yeah, I love you, Ninong.
Look at the stars, look how they shine for you. And everything you do. Yeah, they...
Hello, this is the Disney Prince. Shout out sa'yo, Disney King. happy birthday, Nongchi. Thank you for being thank you for being such a wonderful person, for being a blessing to everyone, for being a great brother, son, father, and Ninong. Salamat kasi you've been hindi ko alam yung sasabihin ko. I-chat na lang kita. Happy birthday! Mabuhay ka hanggang sa gusto mo. Love you! Enjoy your day!
Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan. Lahat ng hiling mo'y matupad sana. Kasama